Good morning guys, Christine Moreno once again from Primo Technologies Company. And in this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo paano gumawa at mag-send ng email. Very important po to, lalong-lalo na sa mga kapremo natin na nasa abroad and provinces. This is one way to communicate with Primo formally, pati na rin sa Load Central. So watch this video until the end and makakatulong po to sa Primo business natin. Okay, first thing na gagawin natin is to open our browser. Sa akin, yung browser ko is Google Chrome. And then, dito sa search box, search lang natin Gmail. So, gagawa tayo ng email account under Gmail. Okay, dito sa baba, scroll down lang. Yan. Click. Okay. Ito na yung parang face ng Google. So, we have to create an account. Click natin tong create account. Okay, so first name. That's my first name. And then last name. And then username. Anything na medyo magdadirect naman sa identity nyo para, alam mo yun, to avoid confusion. So, eto meron namang hint. Sabi dito, you can use letters, numbers, and periods. So, let's try. Ayan. Christine.Moreno. Someone already has that username. So, magpa-prompt naman dito sa baba kung taken na yung username na sinasuggest nyo. So, let me think of other username. So, Christine Moreno. Okay, let's try that. Oh, meron pa din. Okay, another one. Yan. So, hindi siya nag-prompt. So, ibig sabihin, available yung username na yan. So, dito, mag-create lang tayo ng password. Meron ulit hint dito. Use at least 8 characters. Don't use a password from another site or something too obvious like your pet's name. Okay, mag-create lang ako ng password ko. Much better kung yung strength ng password nyo is strong para medyo mahirap siya i-trace. Okay, so, i-confirm ko lang ulit dito sa baba. Yan. And then we have to input our birthday. Yan. And then the gender. And then my mobile number. Or your mobile number in your case. And then current email address. Kasi ako meron na kasi akong current. So I can put my current email address dyan. Pero, for those na wala pa, I think it's okay to leave that blank. Okay, so, yung location, kung saan kayo located. So, meron namang drop-down arrow dito. Yan, you just have to choose your location. So, akin sa Philippines, of course. And then, after that, after natin ma-fill out to, just make sure na isulat nyo itong username nyo ha, kasi it is very important for you to remember that. Kasi pag nag-login kayo, yan yung gagamitin nyo as your username. And of course, your password. Make sure na hindi nyo siya makakalimutan. Okay, so scroll down again and then click next step. Yan, privacy and terms. Pwede nyo yung basahin. And then after you've read that, you can just click I agree. Okay, yan. Your new email address is christine.moreno063080@gmail.com. So, let's click continue to Gmail. Okay, so eto na yung Gmail na kinreate natin. Ngayon, nandito tayo sa inbox. Ito yung mga options i-explore nyo na lang yan kasi yung ipapakita ko sa inyo is just the basic on how to compose and send email. The first message na natanggap natin is eto. So parang ano lang siya, welcome message. Parang wini-welcome lang tayo ng Gmail. Ngayon, magko-compose na tayo ng email. Click lang natin itong red button, itong sa upper left. Yan. And then, dito na tayo gagawa ng email. So, dito sa to line, ang isusulat natin dyan is yung email address nung papadalhan natin ng email. Let's say, mag-i-email tayo kay Primo. So, we'll just have to write the email address of Primo, which is customercare@primo.ph. Yan. And then, dito sa baba is the subject line. Kung ano yung concern natin kay Primo or kung ano yung message natin kay Primo, dyan natin ilalagay yung subject. So, let's say, ano lang, general inquiry lang. Ito naman sa baba is yung details ng message natin. Yan yung body of the email. So, dyan natin ilalagay yung concerns natin. Yan, type nyo lang whatever your questions or concern is. And then, of course, you have to introduce yourself. Yan. And then, halimbawa, meron kayong document na gustong isend din kay Primo or any photo, pwede din yun. So, click lang natin tong paperclip icon dito sa baba. Yan. Let's just click that. And then, i-attach natin yung file or document na gusto nating i-send kay Primo. So, let's say, eto, gusto nating i-attach yan. Yan. Click nyo lang yan. And then, dito sa lower right, click nyo lang din yung open. Yan. So, maa-attach na yung document na yon dun sa email nyo. Okay? So, after that, after nyo ma-review yung message nyo, pwede nyo nang isend yung email. So, click lang natin tong send. Sending na siya. Your message has been sent. View message. Click lang natin. Okay, medyo matagal siya. Okay, yon. So, eto na yung message na sinend natin kanina. Lahat ng mga messages na sinend natin, dito natin makikita sa sent mail. Okay? So, yan. Eto yon. Okay? So, in case na if mag-reply na si Primo, dito naman natin makikita yun sa email, sa inbox. Yan. So, may mag-a-appear din dyan na mga messages na sinend naman sa atin. Okay, so, ganun lang po siya kadali gumawa ng email. Yun lang naman yung importante. Dapat marunong tayong gumawa ng email at mag-send. If the device is not yours, halimbawa, nakiki-email lang kayo sa mga internet shop sa labas, you have to make sure na mag-sign out kayo. So, click nyo lang yung blue sa upper right-hand corner. And then, click sign out. So, please make sure to like this video and then subscribe my YouTube channel. I will also put the links below. Pati na rin yung Facebook page ko. Please like and share. Thank you so much for watching and you all have a good day.